I welcome all of you to the Agricultural Studies class. Today we will learn lesson 6 of chapter 5. Lesson 6, Tomato Cultivation Method. Tomato is a kind of vegetable which rich in vitamin A, B and C. We get vitamin A, B and C from tomato. Green and ripe tomatoes are used in cooking, and ripe tomato is popular as salad. So we use green and ripe tomatoes in cooking, both green and ripe tomatoes in cooking, and ripe tomato is popular as salad. Moreover, sauce processed from ripe tomato is appetizing. Tomato is primarily a winter vegetable. The tomato is a winter vegetable, but today it is also cultivated in summer. Breed means varieties, types. There are many approved varieties of tomatoes in Bangladesh. Bari tomato 2, Rotan Bari tomato 9, Lalima Bari tomato 10, Anupama Bari tomato 3 are among winter varieties, and Mar Globe, Ruma, BF, Oxheart are among imported varieties from abroad. Bari tomato 4, Bari tomato 5, Bari tomato 9, Lalima Bari tomato 10, Anupama Bari tomato 11, Jhumka Bari tomato, Bari hybrid tomato 3, Bari hybrid tomato 4 are among summer varieties. These are summer varieties, and the previous varieties was winter varieties. Soil. Which soil is more preferable for tomato cultivation? Fertile loamy soil with light air is most suitable for tomato cultivation. However, tomato is grown well in all types of soil, from sandy loamy soil to clayey loamy soil, if proper nursing is ensured. Seedling production method. 200 gram seeds is required in a hectare of land for tomato cultivation. First, each 50 gram seeds is densely sown in 4 seeds beds 3 meter by 1 meter, that means 3 meter long, 1 meter wide. 1 meter wide seed bed. When seeds germinate, seedlings are planted 4 by 4 centimeter apart in a second seed bed after 8 to 10 days. In that case, 22 seed beds are required, thus strong seedlings are found. The proper time for sowing winter variety is September-October months. So the proper time for sowing winter variety is September-October month. Land preparation and fertilizer application. How the land for tomato cultivation should be prepared and how fertilizer should be applied. The land is to be made loose by 4 to 5 times ploughing and laddering. On the variation of soil, nature and geographical location, a 1 meter wide and 15 to 20 centimeter high seedbed is to be prepared. So the seedbed means the place where seed is sown. So a seedbed should be 1 meter wide and 15 to 20 centimeter high. So a 30 centimeter wide drain is to be kept between 2 seed beds for suitable irrigation. So between 2 seed beds, 30 centimeter wide drain should be made for irrigation and drainage. Fertilizers for tomato cultivation are to be used as follows. This is the amount of fertilizer are given. How much fertilizer of which type is required for tomato cultivation are given urea, TSP, MOP, cow dung, etc. Quantity is also given here. Before the final ploughing, a cow dung teaspoon two-thirds MOP fertilizer are to be mixed with the soil properly. Urea fertilizer is to be applied in three equal installments after 15, 10, 25 and 40 days of seedling plantation. So urea should be given applied in three equal installments. The rest of the MOP fertilizer is to be divided into two and used after 25 and 40 days. Seedling transplanting. It means when seed grows in seedbed, we have to transplant. We have to plant the seedling in the land, in the field. So we have to take seedling from the seedbed, then we have to plant it into the main crop land. When seedling becomes 30 to 35 days old, it becomes suitable for plantation. The seedlings means small tree. The seedlings need to be uprooted from the seedbed with care so that the roots of the seedlings are not damaged. So the soil of the seedbed needs to be soaked in water before uprooting. It is better to plant the seedlings at the setting sunlight of the afternoon. So it is better to plant the seedlings at the setting sunlight of the afternoon. Light irrigation is necessary after the planting. The seedlings need to be transplanted in 2 rows in 1 meter wide seedbed. The distance between rows should be 60 cm and the distance between seedlings should be 40 cm. Intercultural operation. Interculture means taking care of tomato. Interculture means taking care. The land must be kept weed free. Weed free means removing the unnecessary plants from the land. It is lightly irrigated. The first 3 to 4 days of the seedling transplanting. Later, if the soil is deficient in moisture, it is necessary to irrigate the land. If extra water is stagnant in the land due to irrigation or rain, the water needs to be drained out. It means if extra water is stagnant in the land, we have to remove this extra water from the land. Otherwise, the plant will be rotten. The tender portion under the branch of the first flower must be kept, and the other tender portions of the side must be pruned. The plant is to be supported by a post of bamboo. This is all about lesson 6, tomato cultivation method.